Hello and welcome to my kitchen once again. Today we're going to be cooking hake. I've chosen steaks. These unfortunately are frozen because it's very difficult to find fresh hake in the UK. When I do, I buy the whole fish and I freeze it. But these ones are frozen ones I managed to get from Tesco's the other day. And we're going to make them taste really nice. So we're going to start adding salt. Then we're going to add garlic powder, and we are going to be very generous with this. Very generous. I mean, not extremely, but very generous. And then we're going to add some dry parsley, just like that. I'm going to show you so you can see. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to add some salt. I mean, I'm using white salt. Ideally, I would use pink salt, which is a lot healthier, but I cannot get hold of it. And now we add again garlic powder, like this. Make it taste really nice, and a bit of parsley. You can do fresh parsley chopped, but for convenience we use the dry one. So the next thing that we're going to do, we have put some plain flour on one plate, and we have put some beaten egg on the other. We add oil to the pan. We add quite a bit because we want to fry our fish. And we turn it on, up the heat. And the first thing we start doing is we pass the first fish on the flour. I almost make a mistake there. But this is exactly how my mom used to make it. This is exactly it. Yes, you will get your fingers dirty, indeed, but you will enjoy it. So we do one, we do the other one. Make sure it's covered in flour, just plain flour. Now we're going to put it in the egg. Dirty fingers, but nice too. Right, so make sure the oil is hot. And now we put the other one. Now we let them cook. Yes, I'm using 2 forks. This is exactly the way my mom used to do it, and I'm not going to change it one bit. I put the heat down a little bit because this will be so fast. Okay, now we can turn it over, and they're already starting browning. You may think it's too simple. It's not good enough. If not, if you don't believe me, try it and tell me.